Hazrat Haram, the maternal aunt of Hazrat Anas bin Malik, states, one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to us and had a siesta, and then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam woke up laughing. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what made you laugh? May my parents be sacrificed for you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in vision a group of my ummah has been shown to me, who were riding on the surface of the sea like kings on thrones. I submitted, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me among them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are among them. Hazrat Haram says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then again went to sleep and later woke up laughing. I whereupon again asked him the same question, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the same reply. I submitted, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me among them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are in the first group. Then Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu married her. He fought a naval jihad and took Hazrat Haram along with him. When she returned, she was brought a mule. She mounted it, but the mule threw her down, which broke her neck bone. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4912.